Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we inspire and empower you to become the best version of yourself. Today, we're talking about something truly transformative, the power of consistency. Have you ever set a big goal, but found it hard to stick with it? You're not alone. But here's the good news. With the right mindset and daily habits, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Let's dive in and explore how consistency can change your life. Consistency is the bridge between your goals and your success. Think about it. Even the smallest actions, when done daily, can create remarkable results over time. It's not about doing a lot in one day, but doing something meaningful every single day. Take the example of running. If you run 1 mile every day, it might not seem like much at first, but in a month, that's 30 miles. In a year, it's over 350 miles. Imagine the progress you'll make if you simply stick to it. The first step to building consistency is setting clear and achievable goals. Break your big dreams into smaller milestones. When you focus on small wins, you build momentum, and that momentum keeps you moving forward. Remember, consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Let's talk about habits. Science shows that repeating a task at the same time each day strengthens the habit. Whether it's learning a skill, improving your health, or growing your career, your daily habits define your future. But here's the catch. Progress is slow at first. This is the hardest part for most people. You may not see results immediately, but trust the process. Stay patient and focused, and your consistency will pay off in ways you never imagined. Success doesn't come from sudden bursts of effort. It comes from dedication over time. When you choose consistency, you're choosing growth, resilience, and determination. Thank you for watching. Remember, the journey to success begins with just one small step, repeated every day. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Let's build a community of dreamers who turn their goals into reality.